welcome back to Houston, Texas, Katy Tx Living. My name is Yanine and I serve the amazing people of Katy, Fulshire, Richmond, Sugar Land, and Cypress, Texas. Today I am showing you what my emergency bag have inside. We used to live abroad for many years and the company sponsoring us taught me how to prepare a go bag or emergency bag in case of any natural disaster. In the next few days, we may be experiencing a hurricane here in Texas. Please monitor the weather condition closely. It is always prudent to make sure you have a plan and get your go bag ready. You may need it or you may not, at least you will be prepared. Okay, 3 items that I will need to take with me in case of evacuation. My bag, go bag, a box with important documents like birth certificate, marriage certificate, passport, pet, dogs, and a light that won't need any electricity. I updated this bag 2 years ago. Okay, here in this bag we have stuff like things that you use when you take a shower, remove your makeup, toothpaste, floss, basic stuff just to take a shower and feel clean. My girls were smaller at the time. I don't know where to start. It's actually because this is not too often, so I don't really know by memory. Okay, the first thing I asked the girls is to give me pajamas, a set of pajamas, one for each of them. Then each of my family, every person has an outfit for each of us. One summer outfit and one winter outfit, because we don't know in what weather condition we're gonna need to evacuate. So, let me see. We can find here some sweater. Something important, apart from an outfit for each of us, we are 4, is to take towels. You don't know where you're gonna need to take a shower and if they're gonna have towel. This is part of a pajama. So here is more clothes, winter and summer clothes. Shoes, I'm not sure if these shoes will fit Jessica, my youngest. So I'm gonna need to update these today. But so the outfit consists of one outfit from head to toe plus the shoes, and one outfit from head to toe plus the shoes for winter, summer and winter. Pajamas, once each. This probably is not gonna fit Jessica anymore. I will update that. So we find here socks, deodorant, okay? And here we're going to find, okay, here we go, a poncho, if not mistaken, just in case it's raining badly, lamp, flashlight, Advil, Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol, medicine, painkiller, a trash can, just in case we need to throw some stuff, a big bottle of olive in case of more pain. That's the basic. I wish we can take the whole house, but we cannot. We are limited to one big bag for a family of 4, in my case, right? But every child can have their own backpack and fill it with food and water. Okay. Let's open here. This is like a double-decker bus. This, but here, okay. Now I remember at the top subdivision is the girls, all what the girls need: pajamas, outfits, summer and winter, and towels, basic products. Look in the second bottom part, we have my stuff and my husband's stuff with the same, exactly the same. And here, I even add for the whole family, I got the basic paste, toothpaste, toothbrushes, sun cream, lotion or perfume or something to smell not so bad. Things that the women need, shampoo, bar, soap bar, just the basic. It's quite not heavy though. And of course, just a pair of closed shoes for me in case it's cold, and sandals in case it's hot. Some Kleenex to clean our hands in case we need to. What else we got? And that's basically it, all of it. Don't forget, we carry some cash inside the bag. And one of the most important things for me, my little Bible. Let me see what we got at the top. Oops, no, this was open already. And it's that.